Hello everyone. Let's see how to install Android Studio. So before we start, make sure you have a JDK installed in your system, and you can find the link for the same in the description. So for downloading Android Studio, you have to go to the link shown in the video. Then click on download button. It will automatically start the downloading. And you can also select the download file on the basis of the system you are using. All you have to do is select the link and start the download. So once a file is downloaded, you have to double click on it and do the standard installation by clicking the next button, or as you can see in the video. Okay, once you have done with your installation process, all you have to do is start the Android Studio, and or it will automatically start. Then it will prompt with a message. You have to click on do not import setting and click OK. You are connected with high speed internet during the process of installation, because it will, as you can see, it will download lots of component files. Now you have to click on next and select the standard one, and then you can select whatever theme you like. Again, you can see it requires a few more components. So then you have to click on finish. It will take some time to download all the components, so wait for that. Once it is downloaded, you will get the option to click on finish. Click on finish. Then you get this prompt. You have to click on configure. And select SDK manager. And you can see that in this screen I have Android API version 7.1 and 5.0. You might be having API version 8.0, uh, and you also have to check it visit if it is partially installed or installed. So you have, if it is installed properly, that means you can use it. Then you have to start an Android project, and you can write whatever the name of your application and click on next. Then you have to select the API version, whatever installed into system, for example Android 8, or for example in my case I have Android 5.0. So I'll select that and click next. Select the empty activity, next, and then finally finish. So Gradle will start building your project, and for the first time Gradle does need internet connection to build your first project. And wait till the Gradle finishes all the process of creating the project into Android Studio. So as you can see that Gradle build is running, and if your project is been created properly, you will not get any error. Otherwise you will get an error and you'll ask for try again. You have to be on internet to try it again, so that it can fetch the files which is required to build your project. And till your project is not built successfully, you cannot start writing the codes. You'll see lots of error. So just wait till Gradle finishes its work. Then once it is successful, you have to click on build project, and you'll prompted with this screen which has no connected device. So you have to create a new virtual device. Then select the default one and click next. Then you will have the prompt where it's asking you to download the virtual device. Select the latest one. For example, in our case, we'll download the API 28 download, and once you click on download, it will start downloading it. And once you download, it will give you this screen and click OK. So if everything is fine and your installation is proper, you'll not get any error while building your project, and your AVD will run properly with your application running into it. If you are able to see this screen, this AVD with successfully running your application, that means everything is fine and your installation is proper and you are ready for the workshops. So congratulations for that. If you are not, that means you are missing with some files that you have to download from online. So please do that. Please make sure you are online for the whole process and download it. Thank you guys for listening.